How to set up buy X get Y Shopify discount. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set it up. It is extremely simple, yet extremely powerful as well. So let's just go in and get to it. First, I'm just going to go ahead and log into my Shopify admin, and obviously you will need at least 2 different products for this to work, because if someone here, for example, buys red, we're just going to also give off, let's say, blue. So this is going to be the idea behind the discount. So in order to actually create one, you simply just want to locate the discounts tab from the main menu. And then you simply just want to click on create discount. From here, you're going to have different types of discounts that you can pick, but we want to obviously go for the buy X and get Y. Then we also have 2 different types or methods, they call it. So whether it's going to be a discount code, and it's only going to work if they apply this code, or automatic. So if they add the product number 1 or X, they're just automatically going to also get Y for free. So I'm just going to set it up to be automatic, but if you want it to be a discount code, the only difference is that you will want to generate a random code, or you can just go in and type in whatever code you want. It doesn't make a difference. But I'm just going to select automatic because I think it's better for this type of discount. And I'm just going to title it buy X get Y. But typically for you, you're going to name it something like buy red, get blue, buy this product, get this product. You know, just make it something that is understandable. But this is just a tutorial, so I'm just going to give it this name. So now we have customer buys, and you're going to set it up to be whether the minimum quantity of items or minimum purchase amount. And I'm just going to select the minimum quantity of items, and we're just going to do 1 of specific products, and this specific product is going to be, for example, red. This means that if someone buys 1 of this red product, they're going to be eligible for this discount. But you can make it also more, so if they buy 5 of this red product, then they're eligible for the discount. So it's up to you. I'm just going to leave it as 1. And then what do they actually get if they buy this amount? They will get also 1 of a specific product, which is in this case blue. Click on add. And you are also going to be able to set up the discount value. So whether it's going to be full for the entire order, it's going to be percentage wise, or amount of each product. Or also you can set it up to be for free, so they completely get the blue one entirely for free if they buy this one. So this is completely up to you and how you actually want to set it up. You also have this option to set a maximum number of uses per order. So in one order, how many times people can actually use this. So you can feel free to set it up, or just turn it off if it's just going to be limitless. So we can just go ahead and do only once by doing this. Now here we have the eligibility, so it's going to be available on all sales channels for all customers, but you can also select specific customers or customer segments. Now finally here we have the combinations. So by default, this type of discount does not combine with any other discount. It's going to be this one and this one only. So if there are going to be different discounts for generally speaking, like a discount code, it's not really going to work with that. So unless you turn them on from here. So whether you want it to be product discounts, order discounts, or shipping discounts. So whether they're going to also work alongside of this one or not, it's completely up to you. Lastly, here we have the active dates. So you can set up the start date, and also if you want to set up an end date, you can feel free to do so from here as well. Also, I forgot to mention, if you select discount code for this one, and scroll down, you're going to also have an extra option, which is going to be the maximum discount uses. So you have the option to limit number of times this discount can be used in total. So how many times people can actually use this discount entirely. Like for example, if you just put 15, then it's going to be the first 15 people to do this, and that's it. Or you can just make it so that it is limited to 1 use per customer. So if it's just, you know, John Doe is using it, they can only use it once. So this is going to be only an option that is available for the discount code method. And yeah, you can just go in and hit save once you're happy with all the options, and you should be good to go. You should have this discount up and running. As you can see here, it says active. This is all you need to know, that it is actually working. And this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.